Hey YouTube, what's up? I just wanted to do a video today to show you a neat way and different way probably most of y'all have seen to take your military brass crimp out. This right here is an RCBS swager die. It comes with this. It comes complete with two different things here. You get two different rods. This one here is a bigger rod. It's for the 30 cal. This right here is for the 5.56 223, and it comes with two of these shell holders, and it comes with an extractor. I'll set this up, show you all how to use it. Right there's what that looks like. It runs maybe about 30, 35, somewhere around there. It wasn't real expensive. I also have the Lyman over here. Got the Lyman case prep. And it comes with these right here to do your military brass. You can also do it on this thing. It grinds it out. It comes with two of these, a small primer pocket, a large primer pocket. It just grinds it out. But I'm definitely can say that the RCBS dies are faster. And I had these dies before I got this machine anyway, and I like the dies better. I did this much brass right here this morning. That's probably close to 200, or I'm sorry, 140, 150 casings there. I did that maybe in 15 minutes. But let me get you some more. Let me get you some more brass here. And I'll show you how this thing works. Now, of course, not all. Yeah, that would have to be open. Jeez, my bag opened up on me. Not all 223 is going to have a military crimp. Of course, it's got to be military brass. Your Lake City brass is going to have. Now, a quick way to tell if it needs prime, see how that fits on there? That one fits on there. That one does not have a military crimp. Although you figured that it would, because it does look like military brass. Okay. So when you get one that wobbles on there, like so, that one's wobbling, that has a crimp on it. And a telltale sign is, if you can see this right here, that cross right there with the circle in it, focus, right there. There's a cross with a circle around it right there. That verifies that that is 5.56 brass. Okay, let me back this thing up, show you what this thing does. Put it up in here, and that rod fits right down in there like that. Now, let me zoom in. Now watch the case. That thing shoves up on there, goes in there, reams it out, and then you got to take it and smack it. You got to give it a good smack to release. Got to kind of hit it hard to release it. But anyway, that's an option there to do military brass. And as you can see, you can knock them out pretty daggone quick. also do it that way to eject it, but whatever. It does, you do have to get kind of rough with it. Sometimes they don't want to fit because there you go. I mean, you gotta get it just right in there. I'll zoom in here again so y'all can see the brass being shaped. Alright. It's that simple. You're squeezing brass to where it's removing the pocket primer. That's all you have to do extra for military brass for the main prep. You know, you can get it as wild and radical as you want with your prep case, but what I'm saying is, for it to be military or civilian brass, this is the only different thing that you have to do, and then you can load it. You just have to remove that crimp. Let's see if I can find one that's got a crimp. See if you can tell a difference there. It's probably going to be kind of hard to tell, but this one here has a crimp. This one here does not. I don't know if you can tell or not. The one on the left's a smaller diameter hole than the one on the right. If you don't remove that crimp, it's really hard to seat a primer. You'll have you'll know if there's a crimp in there because you'll have deformed primers. When you put them in there, it'll be real tight. They'll snap, and you'll have to put some force behind it to seat the primer. And like I said, sometimes you can seat them, but a lot of times it will deform your primers to the point where you cannot use them. So, you know, who wants to waste primers? So anyway, guys, that's all I was wanting to show you. I thought I'd share that with you. Y'all have a good one. Catch you on the flip side.